no! I have 12 apples but 4 friends. How will I share them fairly?
Activate division mode.
Come along, let's explore. I don't want anyone to feel left out.
That's where division helps. Division means sharing equally. Division is when we split things into equal groups.
We have 12 friends. Let's give 1 apple to each friend at a time. Count with us. 1, 2, 3. Each friend got 3 apples.
So 12 divided by 4 equals 3.
Division is just sharing fairly.
Your turn.
If we have 8 cupcakes and 2 friends, how many does each friend get?
Let's check.
Okay, let's check.
4.
You're a math star.
All right, class, let's share the biscuits.
Okay, I will share with you.
Good. Now, split the pencils.
1 for you.
We use division every day.
At parties, in school, even at home. When we share and split things right, make the groups all fair and bright. Big or small, we all can see. Division helps equality. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Math is fun for you and me. Today we learned that division means
sharing equally. You are officially division experts.
come along, let's explore.